Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, hope you're doing amazing. Thanks for jumping back into another video. Today we're going to check out Theta network token, and I'm really bullish with its current price action. So do stick around and watch the video until the end to find out why. And as we can see here, I mean, Theta has grown by 300% in just 2 months, and that kind of growth just looks absolutely great. It doesn't look parabolic, it's organic, healthy growth all the way from September, through great marketing efforts and community growth. Also just want to say huge thanks to Mub, Peter, Alp and Kara, the patrons. If you do want to become a patron, you can find that in the description below. You'll get some exclusive benefits which you don't want to miss out on, such as an ebook right here as well, one-to-one messaging and much more. So Theta is currently trading at $4.08, rank 42 with a whopping 4 billion market cap. We can see over the 7 days we're up 6.1% over here. Over the 24 hours, making a little bounce, 3.3%. So it's making its way up the crypto ladder. And the reason I'm so bullish is just because of the amount of support we've got at this particular level. It really opens up an opportunity to potentially go long. Of course, not financial advice, but if we look at that Fibonacci retracement level, it's exactly on that 0.786 support zone, which is a really bullish, reaccumulation area where I would be packing the bags. Because if you packed last time, you would have made absolutely massive gains all the way up to 100%, no more, 180%. And if even if we replicate smaller bounce this time, maybe 50% or 60%, break out this wedge, we're going to start beginning to see some really big gains, and I think it's very exciting to see. So we've got lots of support at this 365 level, and you can see that RSI is just coming down more and more, and it has been over the last few weeks really, but it's actually forming a bit of a symmetrical triangle, copying almost the pattern of the descending wedge that we've got on the daily time frame. You can see we're just trying to bust back through that 20-day moving average. So I'm anticipating that we're going to see that RSI come up over the next few days. If we hop into this daily chart and really take a close-up look, we can see that we are just literally consolidating now over the last few days within a symmetrical triangle. And if we break out this triangle, it does give us a healthy price target, to the upside of around $4.80. So quite a big opportunity here if we do break out to the upside with some key volume. We are missing a bit of volume, which isn't ideal, but I do anticipate that we're going to be retesting this resistance zone over here at $5.06 very soon. So the $3.06 and the $5.06 is our support and resistance levels over here. But I do think first we will have to combat just the price target, the $4.70, because we might have to steam off a little bit. If we hop into that 4-hour time frame, again, it just really signifies the power of the symmetrical triangle, where we've got the support levels along here and the resistance over here. So the next level would be $4.20. Next potential support would be $3.19. But I think we're going to coil all the way, and maybe around 24th of January, we're going to break out to the upside, coming to $4.80. So I think that's very likely that could happen. Basically, the worst scenario that could happen here, I think maybe we do lose a bit of support. We just come back under, retest, break back through. On the bullish scenario, we come up, retest resistance, break out to $4.80, and then pursue over here. And of course, we want to see those big price targets. So if we pull our Fibonacci extension from this very high, the first area of resistance that we need to get to when we break out of this particular channel, this descending wedge, shall I say, would be $6.60. And that's just on, the Fibonacci extension, because it looks like we're forming one giant double bottom. And if we do, we get the neckline, we break through, it's going to look really good, double bottom, saggy tits, whatever you want to call it, guys. I hope YouTube doesn't censor me for that. So that's what I'm really seeing, this very key area of support that we must hold at 3.7. The next support level would basically be around $2.70 if we do lose that support. Now, I don't think that's going to happen. It would just be way too significant, too much too soon, so to speak. So I think much more likely we see 370 or 470 first. So really anticipating a big break out to the upside here because of these higher highs on the resistance. Hop into the hour time frame. just to check out one more time. As you can see, it just looks really bullish. Big pump over the hourly time frames, and we're not even overbought on the RSI. So very excited to see what can happen for Theta. I think we will be, you know, above $5 again quite soon, testing this diagonal resistance on the descending wedge. I do not think that we're going to lose support and come down to these lower levels unless the rest of the market takes a huge correction. So it looks really good. So that's about a wrap at the moment, guys. Be prepared to break out of this area at $3.90, coming up to $4.70. And if we lose support at $3.90, we come back down to $3.70. So just keep a key eye on this area. And yeah, happy days to you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe to the channel and consider becoming a patron. You can do that down in the description below. You will receive the ebook, and I really think it's going to shift your mind about cryptocurrency, market cycles, and how you can bulletproof your mindset in order to be resistant to any volatile movements and make the most of them. So if that sounds like a bit of you, do become a patron. Price for coffee. If you don't like the book, I will refund you myself personally. That is how confident I am. So I hope you liked the video, guys, and I shall see you in the next one.